You have no fucking idea क्या हो रहा है currently. Like in 5 years time, good, like congratulations on your job, but in 5 years you might be unemployed. In seriously speaking, no, because that is the level we are headed towards. But I can give you some peace of mind, but then again it might be temporary. Because there are certain limitations in AI itself. Like कुछ limitations है, and those limitations are actually मैं temporary इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because we already know the solution to the limitations, and that it just needs time to work on. So there is time, but eventually those will be solved as well, right? So the future we are headed towards, no, I think it's the future until like AGI is achieved. The future, it's like make as much money as possible.
So I don't know if you're updated about this, okay?
Yeah.
AGI का जो concept है ना, उसका आगे कुछ आ गया अभी. It's like AGI can be achieved. AGI is not like, it's just general intelligence, right? Doing general tasks. Now they have coined a new term called ASI, artificial super intelligence. So that is now the new goal. AGI तो हो जाएगा, लोग बोल रहे हैं. Like general task हो ही जाएगा. Super intelligence, and it's not going to be like a human. AGI जो human की तरह behave करेगा वैसा नहीं रहेगा, of course. It will have its limitations. But the next thing they're targeting is like automating tasks, and ASI will help you do that. AGI just
no, we are already automating tasks. Like tasks maybe you just need hands. No, I think it's like marketing gimmick, bro. Honestly,
of course, marketing तो है भाई, narrative spreading.
AGI is self-explanatory. उसके ऊपर से we already know कि जब वो AGI बनेगा ना, if you give it access to a command line, it has the ability now to sort of like improve itself. If you give it the ability to do it, it can do it. If it can modify its own source code, तो वो खुद को improve कर सकता है. And that is given. That was the definition of AGI. Now you're coining a new word. Fine, include करो उसको. But it's all marketing.
ASI has some like थोड़ा वो कुछ subset है कि where you have to automate certain tasks और niche tasks को ASI will be able to do it much better. And so who's leading this? Again, Frontier तो नहीं बोलूँगा, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. But again, OpenAI founder कोई था, Ilya, I think, Ilyas Tuskar or something, I don't know. He left OpenAI and now he's building ASI.
Okay.
He raised, I think, a fucking $1 billion without even having a product, just with his name.
Yeah, what reputation that does this stuff.
Nee, wo to, of course, that is it. That is how he did it. Yeah, but yeah, going back, where does it leave humans, and what's going to happen with open source?
So I think open source will increase. Like
how?
I'm optimistic about open source.
But because AI अगर लिख रहा है ना, personalized code है, it will not be applicable for anybody, like everybody out there, you know.
So I'm optimistic about open sources because so far open source ही सबसे ज़्यादा आगे चल रहा है, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. Because see, when you have to
open source libraries के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Yeah, libraries as in
any library that you're using for, let's say, face recognition का कोई library use कर रहे हो तुम.
हाँ, तो those will, like उसमें problem नहीं है ना, उसमें
in 10 years time saying, will library, जैसे अभी face recognition का library है, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow some other library we need, 10 years down the line someone is building a software. Then they'll not have the same resource or the same libraries for building tech of the future. Because कोई बना नहीं रहा होगा ना libraries. Everybody is just vibe coding.
People just do it just for fun. Like this is fun. Open source, people just do it just because they want to create something new. Like I think open source will boost up a lot, and the reason is because everybody now will be more powerful. Like open source is built on top of individual contributions.
Open source will boost up, or just apps being produced, low quality, high quality, जो भी है. I'm not even talking of the quality.
Yeah,
but
apps will also increase. Like there will be a lot of apps, and there will also probably be a lot of open source stuff out there. Because anybody can, like I think the only limiting, like the primary limiting factor for open source is time. It's like you have to dedicate some time from your life to contribute to something that doesn't give you a direct return. But if you can do more out of your time, then you will probably given more output, right? And the thing about open source is, it's like you have a lot of brains, smart people, smart brains basically, individual contributors who are creative and can do stuff on their own. You have a lot of people coming up with crazy ideas, like it's very smart but crazy ideas, but that corporations do not really come in. They're held by the rigidity of the bureaucracy that happens in an organization, right? They cannot really explore new directions and paths. That is exactly where open source comes in.
Yeah.
Right. So
open source will keep rising.
I think open source will keep on rising, and we'll see more and more individual creator-led businesses